Dan Willis here, and we're talking about bad credit and why it feels like you're stuck to a 7-year prison sentence when you have a less than perfect credit score. And here's the thing. Not only is it more expensive with higher interest rates, the possibility of missing a job, as many employers in our brave new economy are now checking job applicants' credit reports before offering them a job. Not only does this influence what kind of car you drive, where you live, it's also embarrassing, and it's probably not an accurate representation of who you are, because the truth is life happens to everyone. There are some very successful people, including Walt Disney, who's been bankrupt before. So please don't let this taint who you are or your own self-image by any means, because there are some very successful people, including Dave Ramsey, people that have gone through terrible financial troubles, to put it very mildly. So what actually is bad credit? Really, it's probably 650 and lower, especially with our brave new economy, but you could even extend that to 700, a 700 FICO score or lower. And some of the bad credit items and what's dragging many credit scores down include late payments, credit card charge-offs, debt collections, auto repossessions, judgments, all sorts of different ways. And there's really two ways to go about improving your credit score. And the first one, the bad stuff's dragging it down. First one is to use all your accounts responsibly. Make sure that you're making monthly on-time payments. A frequent path that many consumers take is they'll go about getting a credit card, such as a secured credit card. Just make sure that you are using it responsibly. Do make sure that you have available unused credit. That'll help your utilization ratio, which is a very important factor when it comes to your credit score. And the second part of this is to remove and challenge and dispute that negative information, the bad credit items, because that stuff is dragging your score down. And contrary, if you really look at the law, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the FCRA, this is what entitles you to dispute any item on your credit report that you believe is inaccurate. That law says that no item can remain, the longest time an item can remain is for a maximum of 7 years. In other words, there is no minimum amount of time a bad credit item must remain on your credit report. That law only specifies the maximum amount of time. Let me repeat, there is no minimum amount of time an item must remain on your credit report. So if you'd like a 100% free, no obligation credit consultation, you can call toll free 1-855-655-9869. Again, that's for a free, no obligation credit consultation. And the phone number is 1-855-655-9869. This is Dan Willis. Please subscribe and join our congregation. We're going to also include a link in the description below to an article at our website for some more tips. We've also got a free report available, the 7 super simple steps to clean credit. Please have a fantastic day, and looking forward to talking to you again here soon.